Hey everybody! Today I have a General Electric 49X942 8-inch Vortalex Oscillating Fan, and it is an all-original Ivory Survivor. Now this fan was made, I think, in the early 1940s, probably around 1940 or 1941. I'll have to look up this catalog number to be able to tell you. Anyway, what we'll do here is we'll show you the side and the back of this fan so you can kind of get an overall look at it. And it's got the ring bracket holding the motor in, the loop bracket. And we'll turn it around back here. And it's got the rounded gearbox on it. And we'll bring it back around here. And this is just a single speed fan, so here's on. And we'll bring in some oscillation. And these little Vortalex fans are just nice and quiet. And you have to love the profile they strike as the fan comes to the side here. Moves a decent breeze. We'll go ahead and turn off the oscillation now, if we can do that. There we go. And we'll shut the fan off to show the coast down time. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Hope you found it to be interesting and enjoyable, and we will have more to come. So, later.